So on this episode of My Life is a Hot Mess, we are going to share our laundry room hacks, our laundry room problems, and some potential solutions. Now, at no time during this video am I the expert. Laundry is something that we all have to do, right? And some of us can have a very clean and well-kept laundry room. And some of us struggle. I'm on the struggle bus. Comment below and share with me your secret. Share with me how you keep stuff. Like, tell it all, okay? We all have things that we all need to improve on. Mine is to organize things and make sure they stay organized. So today, let's tackle the laundry room. So today, I'm giving you a real look at my laundry room. This is it. No filters, no staging, just a mess as it is. And to be honest, this is what happens when life gets a little overwhelming. One minute, everything's organized and I feel on top of it. The next, it's a hot mess. If you can relate, you're not alone. I think the biggest reason things get out of hand for me is that I have teenagers. We have a laundry schedule, right? They each have their own day. But as you can imagine, that doesn't always go smoothly. There are days when they leave clothes in the washer or the dryer and suddenly everything bags up. It's like a domino effect. And I'll be honest, I'm not always on top of it myself. Between their laundry, me and my husband's laundry, and trying to keep the rest of the house running, the laundry room just gets pushed down the list until it looks like this. Today though, I'm trying to reclaim a little order, at least for now. I don't have a perfect system in place, but I'm starting with the basics. Clearing out the closet, tossing what we don't need, and giving everything a place. That's the goal, right? Just making things feel a little bit more manageable. One thing I'm working on is reminding the kids to actually finish their laundry. Like, not just wash and dry it, but fold it and put it away. I'm hoping that if we can all stay a little more on top of it, this room won't feel so overwhelming all the time. But hey, progress is progress. So that was kind of step one, to get all of the clothes out of the laundry room. Now for me, in my head, if I don't know what's clean or dirty, I'm gonna wash it again. But that is so wasteful because detergent costs money, that's water, that's energy. And so I have to put in better regimens for our laundry. It is partly my fault, but it's mostly my kids' fault because they just do whatever, whenever. And I just gotta put some things in order. So comment down below and let me know, do you allow your kids to wash their clothes? And if so, is it successful or is it a hot mess like mine? Or like, let me know. And yes, I did get my big ass on this thing, and I pray that I didn't break it, but I was just trying to give y'all angles, you know. So now we're on to step two. Step two is I just need everything in here just emptied out, just butt naked. For reference, these are all the clothes that have to be washed today. We got here an old mop that nobody decided to take out and wash. An empty container of detergent that nobody decided to recycle. Let's dive into this. So as you can see, my laundry room has turned into a bit of a dumping ground. It's so easy to let things pile up, extra detergent, mismatched socks, random cleaning supplies. But today I'm decluttering and I'm only keeping what we actually need. And trust me, this feels so much freaking better already. They say when you know better, you do better. But sometimes life just simply gets in the way, y'all. And I know that my dryer vent should not look like this. It is a fire hazard and it can even make the dryer less efficient. On another note, look at my washer. It has rusted and I don't know, well, I think it's probably caused by the dampness or something, but I've never seen a washing machine rust like this. This washer is about 4 to 5 years old. So Samsung, count your days. So now we are going to tackle this closet right here and get some of this stuff. We just want to organize it. We just want to get it organized. And what I'm going to do is set a timer. Let me grab my timer. This is my handy dandy timer. And I like to use this thing for everything. I believe I got it from Walmart. But so I'm only using 10 minutes in here because I got other stuff to do today. But I just need to get things started. I'm not trying to make perfect, okay? I just need this stuff cleaned out as much as possible. So here's the 10 minutes. I'm gonna hit start and then we're gonna clean. Now look at the timer, 3:25, I'm gonna stop. So I told myself that I'm gonna have 30 minutes to clean out this laundry room. So what I'm doing is dividing it into 10-minute cycles. Cause for me, dealing with ADHD, I have to have some kind of guide because I will be everywhere. But using the timer just makes me stay focused. So I have 3 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. And the first step was for me to just clear this out, clear out everything in here. The only thing I did not clear out is the stuff up there because my husband he got to do that up there. It be stuff that he say we need that I don't really think we need. And you got to choose your battles. So yeah, we have 3 minutes left on the timer. Okay, I had to press pause because right now I just feel overwhelmed. I feel like it's so much stuff in there, and a lot of that stuff I know that I'm not gonna use, but I'm not a hoarder. I'll throw away stuff before anything. This is when I just have to press pause. Me being vulnerable, okay guys? Vulnerable means I never show my arms because of insecurities or whatever, but it is what it is, Melanie. It is what it is. Keep going, girl. Keep going. So I am just pressing pause for a second. I'm gonna grab a drink of water. I don't have a lot going on today, so Melanie, it's not the end of the world, but you need to get it done. Process it, Melanie. Process it. Why are you putting pressure on yourself? Why are you putting pressure on yourself? I'm trying to beat the timer. I really want to stay consistent with uploading content for you all. I don't want anyone to feel like I think I'm an expert or anything like that because obviously I'm not. Things are just going through my head. Like I'm thinking about my kids right now and the things that they need to do and the things that are undone around here. And then I think about my husband and like it's stuff like while I'm doing this, I feel like it's stuff that he needs to tackle as well. I don't know what he's doing, so I'm frustrated with that, and I don't even know what he's doing. So why are you frustrated, Melanie? So I'm gonna take a second just to breathe, and then I'm gonna get back to it. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress for me. And right now, the laundry room isn't perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. And honestly, that's enough for today. Sometimes good enough is exactly what we need. If you're feeling overwhelmed in your own space, just remember that it's okay to take a break. It's okay to not be perfect. The goal is to make it manageable. And that's a win in my book. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real, messy, but hopeful, helpful videos. We're all in this together.